दो पत्थर, आग ही लगा ले चल यहाँ। रात बह रही है, तू चले दे कहानियाँ।
Hello! So amongst the thesis work that I still have to do, I still managed to get out of my pajamas and come to the train station to get the ticket to a place which I could cover basically in a day. And I still managed to get it. But before I jump into that, you guys can subscribe to the channel because apparently I'm still stuck under 1K mark. And just to make sure it is not because I haven't told you where you could subscribe, I want to let you know that there is a subscribe button alongside my channel name. You can find one up here and you'll see a watermark on the right left corner of this video, and you can go and subscribe there as well. So I told you. And with that, it's time to welcome you to another video of Guy Without a Flag, and I'll see you on the other side of the intro. So since the beginning of this video, I've been beating around the bush, but I won't do that anymore. Or maybe I'll do it a little more just to make this video a bit bigger. Alright, I know it's a bit frustrating when one does that. I still haven't said anything about the place. Wow, I really need to get my thoughts straight. So I'm gonna add a cut here now.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
So welcome to Bourg-en-Bresse, a medieval city in the eastern France which once used to be the capital of the Europe-spanning Duchy of Savoy. And it was in this capacity it got its marquee monument like the Royal Monastery. Also, the old center of Bourg-en-Bresse is sprinkled with half-timbered houses that instead of being a museum pieces are used for shops and amenities, which somehow makes them more alive. And I am going to check all of them. So without any further ado, let's jump to the first stop.
Baby, I'm outside, so thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
So this monastery that you see behind me, it was built in the 1500s to bury and pay respect to the family of dukes. It was built by Margaret of Austria, and I'm hoping to get to know her a little more because apparently she did build a lot of things and she was politically strong here in Europe during her time. And about the ticket, then I paid like €9.5 and there was no special pricing. So that's pretty sad, but now it's the time that I have to go in and enjoy the place.
Drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Outside,
Les charges me retiennent aux Pays-Bas. Depuis ma mine, je correspond donc avec les ouvriers pour diriger la construction.
थोड़ी खुशी थोड़ा दर्द थोड़ा गम
À l'approche du XVIe siècle, la maison de Haute, construite par l'empereur Maximilien Ier, étend son pouvoir nord par une série de grands marécages. Dans la dynastie des Habsbourg, la princesse Marguerite, fille de l'empereur, va jouer un rôle déterminant pour faire fructifier cet héritage et le transmettre à son neveu, le futur empereur Charles Quint. Cette majestueuse et flamboyante au sud de Bourg-en-Bresse. En choisissant de rétablir sa dernière demeure, Marguerite d'Autriche rejoint son plus bel ami, aux portes d'un royaume de France qui naguère vers la promesse. Depuis près de 500 ans, le monastère royal de Bourg témoigne avec fierté du message délivré par cette femme d'exception.
यही है जिंदगी थोड़ा जाम थोड़ा काम थोड़ा आराम यही है जिंदगी यही है जिंदगी थोड़ी खुशी थोड़ा दर्द.
So I just came out of the monastery and I just have one word, that this place was pretty brilliant. Lots of art, lots of stories, and there was plenty of things to see, which if I compare it to my visit to the Palace, that wasn't this much. Lots of rooms were closed. This was like totally open, and even the work, the intricate work on the marble, it was just brilliant to see. But now it's the time that I have to go to the next stop, and it's getting pretty warm. So behind me is the old hospital or apothecary of Bourg-en-Bresse, but it is closed because recently there was a fire. So the 3 rooms that were open to public, they are now closed and probably will open in a month or so. I was really excited to go in because there's a great story behind this place. So it dates back to 1782, and one of the remarkable thing about it is that the pharmacy inside has hardly changed in more than 200 years. It was run by nuns before closing it in 1963, and now it has reopened as a museum, granting rare snapshots of medicine from the bygone age. So probably it's more like the French Ayurveda. There are 2 rooms lined with shelves and a working laboratory. The splendid wooden cabinets with antique books, jars, little packages belong to the era of Louis XV and 16. Many of the containers, this still contain original medicine. That is why I wanted to go in. But now I'm gonna head to the old town, which also has pretty beautiful things to admire. Now if you're like me, that means you're following the same path as I did in Bourg-en-Bresse, then your next stop would be the same as me, which is the Porte des Jacobins. Porte des Jacobins, a portal from the 15th century convent, but the delicate pointed arch is all that is left of the building after it was burned down during the revolution. Now whenever I see any of such arcs, I am reminded of my birthplace Amritsar, where the old city is also surrounded by several of such gates. But when you enter those gates, one thing is for sure, that you will get an amazing food, which I'm not really sure about any place in France. Now there is something in Bourg-en-Bresse which differentiates it from the other cities here in France, and that is its old town, where you will find a lot of influence of use of wood in the facades, which is the front of the building. And one house that basically is an image of this place is called Maison des Bois, and that's where I'm going next. Dating back to 1496, the house is on the shopping street, with the ground floor taken up by high street chain, and the lower level still has the same opening as it did 500 years ago. And above it, there are 3 stories of this timber framing, and each floor sticking out over the level below and anchored by corbels.
बस खो ना जाऊं कदमों को रुकने ना दूं मैं तो बस चलता जाऊं वक्त को थमने ना दूं मैं तो बस खो ना जाऊं कदमों को रुकने ना दूं मैं तो बस चलता जाऊं वक्त को थमने ना दूं मैं तो चला.
Another monument which one can admire when here in Old Town is the Notre Dame Church. This church was built with brilliant white stone in the 1500s, just as the flamboyant Gothic style was being replaced by the new Renaissance architect. So there is a fusion of both the designs, as the apse and the nave are both Gothic, while the western facade and the dome tower completed later are clearly from Renaissance. And inside, amongst the things to see are the wooden choir stalls carved in the 1530s, a 13th century black Madonna statue, the sculpted pulpit from 1760, the great organ from 1682, and stained glass windows going back to 1526. So all was going good, and this was my last stop, but as you guys saw, or you will see now, my adapter for the mic, it broke, so I have a gift leaving this place.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 oh no.
But anyways, and if you guys were thinking of making a drinking game out of the number of times I said still in this video, then go ahead. I don't care, cause it's you who's gonna be drunk. Nothing is, I'm not gonna lose anything.
No, don't drink. It's a trap.
And with that, it's time to say goodbye, and I'll see you with another place, another city. Until then, keep maintaining the social distance and stay safe.
मैं खा चला और बढ़ता गया.